Hello, and welcome back to another video. Today I'm going to be reviewing the Monstargears NINJA87 Bluetooth. The board starts at $90 USD plus $25 shipping, with either Gator browns, yellows, or whites, and keycaps can be added for another $25. This makes the board $35 more than the K87 if you account for shipping and don't go for keycaps. The model I have does not come with keycaps, but the keycaps that they advertise are OEM profile PBD double shot, so I'd expect them to be decently good. The NINJA87 is a TKO layout, as hinted by the name. It comes in a simple cardboard box with a good wire keycap puller and switch puller. The board has a rough plastic texture and is pretty simple looking overall. The board is powered by two AAA batteries for wireless and has a USB-C connection for wired. It has a white dimmable backlight and two-step legs for inclination. I needed to replace the stabilizers in this board with some C3 screw-ins, so I decided to record myself disassembling it. I won't be able to review the stock stabilizers as I wasn't able to try them. The board is screwless and has tabs that hold the top and bottom parts together. You need to get a thin tool in between them on the bottom to get them apart. I used a guitar pick to do this. From there you can detach the daughter board. To remove the plate from the PCB, you have to bend these little tabs so that they fit into the hole. This is a horrible design choice and feels incredibly sketchy to bend these tabs, and the tabs will break over a short period of time as you bend the metal over and over. I would not recommend this board at all if you're opening the board often. Once is probably enough to replace stabilizers, but it's still a huge pain. The board is the most annoying and difficult to open that I've ever tried. But what I found interesting was the mounting style. It wasn't tray mount, but instead a sort of top mount or gasket mount. The PCB is connected to the plate, and the plate goes in between the top and bottom housings of the board. This makes it sound quite good. Here's a sound test. So what more do you get for $35 when compared to the K87? Well, first of all, the keyboard is high profile unlike the K87. This means that the edges of the board are raised to hide the switches. This isn't particularly better than low profile, but many people prefer high profile. Second of all, it's south facing. This was one of my major problems with the K87 because it limits your ability to use cherry profile keycaps. This is fixed on the NINJA87 Bluetooth. The third thing is Bluetooth, which is a useful feature for many people, but not important for others. The fourth is screw-in stabilizer compatibility, which is great if you plan to upgrade the stabilizers. Good screw-in stabilizers are better than any plate mounted, so this is definitely a big upgrade. The final thing is sound. In my opinion, this keyboard sounds a lot better than the K87, partly because of its interesting mounting style. In terms of things that the K87 has over the NINJA87 Bluetooth, is that the K87 has RGB, has a few more switch options, comes with keycaps, and is 30% cheaper. So overall, I think this board is definitely worth the $35 above the K87 if you can afford it, and is a great option for anyone who wants a nicer budget hot swap TKO or a wireless keyboard. I hope you enjoyed this video and found it useful. Please consider subscribing, and I'll see you in the next video.